Welcome back to the channel where personal finance meets real life. Today, we dive into Chapter 1 of I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. It's a no-fluff, action-driven guide to optimizing your credit cards for a richer life. The big idea? Credit cards are not evil, they are tools. When used correctly, they can boost your credit score, earn you rewards, and help build wealth. Sethi emphasizes mastering the system rather than avoiding it. Interest is the real enemy. If you carry a balance, you're getting crushed. Prioritize paying off your debt aggressively, starting with the highest interest cards. Automate minimum payments and funnel extra funds toward the worst offenders. Not all credit cards are created equal. Look for ones with high rewards, no annual fees, and perks that fit your lifestyle. Use 1 or 2 solid cards for regular spending, track rewards, and always pay them off monthly. Did you know you can negotiate fees? Call your credit card company to waive late fees or reduce your annual percentage rate. Sethi even provides scripts to help. Automate payments to avoid missed payments, protect your credit score, and free up mental energy. That's Chapter 1 of I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Like, share, and subscribe for more practical money wisdom that actually works. Let's get rich the smart way.